Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com. Don't you love it when the party, the event, the reception's over, and you've got all these round tablecloths to fold up? Well, that's a lot easier than it looks. Let me show you the trick to go from this to this. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. Something women don't really like is helpless men. If you want to impress the woman in your life, know how to fold a round banquet tablecloth. You'll impress her and everybody around you. So here's the challenge. You've just finished up an event. You've got all these dirty tablecloths that need to be laundered and then afterwards folded. So here we have a tablecloth that's round, goes on a big banquet table. How do we take it from this to this? This is not the answer, okay? Let me show you how it's done. Okay, the first thing you need to do is create a straight edge, and the fastest way to do that is go to an edge, find an edge, shake out your tablecloth, and then lay it across the flat surface, grab the other edge, and you're just gonna join the two edges together. And when you do, you've actually started a fold point. So I'm gonna grab that right there, and then I'm gonna just reach across approximately where the fold is, and grab it. Now when you do, there's no way in heck you're gonna get it the first time. You can see that it's crooked. So what you have to do is adjust until the points line up, and it may take either side to do it. But when everything matches and you've got a quarter fold now, the magic begins. So take your chin, take these two, and go just like that. And you can see the rectangle starting to form. Now, if I lay this out on a table, sometimes I lay this out on a bed, you can still see the curved edge here. But here's where the magic happens. Just take this, fold it to right there. Now you have another fold here. Take a third fold like this, another fold like that, and look at that. You have a beautifully folded, very few wrinkles, ready to go tablecloth for the next event. Impressive, huh? Another one that's hard to figure out many times is how to fold a fitted sheet. We'll take a look at this episode we created that'll demystify that in a few moments. You'll have a fitted sheet, folded square, ready to go. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com.